Hey guys, what's going on today? There's another vlog, vlog 60, so now we're on 60, that's good. And today we're in Mino. I've been here before, this is my second time here. And me and Yukari are looking at autumn leaves before the go. As you can see, there's a lot here, a lot more autumn leaves around here. So far we went to Nara for autumn leaves, Kyoto, Shiga, and Gifu, and now we're in Mino. Where else have we been? Kyoto, Nara, Shiga, Gifu. That's it, innit? And now Mino. So yeah. So now we're looking around Mino. I'm going to take some pictures of autumn leaves. There's people over there, wedding photos. So they're having a lovely day in Mino. But yeah, don't know what we're going to do, but we're going to go around, we're going to look at the waterfall, and we're just going to enjoy our day for the autumn leaves. Beautiful. We keep moving like little bit by little, because every step we go it's beautiful. Like all the autumn leaves are out, different colours. Wedding over there, they're having a nice wedding over there, just chilling. So yeah, as you can see, Mino is Mechikile. Yukari, do you approve? She approves. It's Mechikile. And yeah, we've got to keep going because we need to go to the waterfall because the sun goes down, doesn't it? So we need to get there before the sun goes down. It's going to be a mission because every second we keep going forward, there's more trees. Mechikile. Nah? So every second we want to take more and more pictures, but it's like we need to go to the waterfall because the night time's coming. But it's difficult, so I hope you guys will enjoy. I'm taking some more slow motion shots, and this sign tells me for the waterfall, Yukari. For the waterfall. So hey guys, we're still here. We haven't got to the waterfall just yet, but we are looking at like a mini waterfall. A little mini waterfall in front of me, behind the camera, and I'm going to show you in a minute. I took a slow motion effect of it, but I'll show you in fast motion as well. Me and Yukari are hungry. We bought some like lunch with us. Yukari made pork ginger with rice, so it's in the bag. We don't know where we're going to eat yet. We have to get to the waterfall because it's getting night time. Everywhere is beautiful, like I said, so every time we keep taking pictures. But anyway, there's a little waterfall for you. There's the little waterfall. Beautiful. And also autumn leaves. And we've still got all the way down there to go yet. So yeah, I'll get back to you soon. Hey guys, we're in a tunnel and you can't go any further, but as you can see, some autumn leaves up there, but yeah, you can't go any further. I wonder what this way is, but yeah, maybe Typhoon did this?
Yeah.
Is that what it says?
Yeah.
Manduksai Typhoon. Typhoon Manduksai now. So yeah, as you can see, we're in the tunnel. It's like a really small tunnel. But when I came to Mino before, it was nighttime, pitch black. I thought the tunnel was longer, but it's not. It's like very, very small. But it looks scary when it's at nighttime. But yeah. And there's like autumn leaves and spiders up there.
Everywhere.
Mm.
With autumn leaves.
Yeah, just chilling. He's having an autumn festival. Very echoey in here. There's like one light up there, but it doesn't work. Yukari.
Yeah.
One light up there.
Maybe.
Broken. So yeah. But yeah, that was the tunnel. Chinsai. Wait. Typhoon. Poor typhoon. I mean, poor tree. Poor tree. Anyway, guys, we're gonna continue on the head for travel. Let's go. Kilena. Hey guys, what's going on? We still haven't made it to the waterfall, but we have stopped because there's 3 deers up a mountain. It's really cool. They're eating grass, and yeah, that's basically what deers do. It's like you look at the mountain and it's like in a slope kind of thing, and there's like Ichi-ni-san, three deers. Hmm. 3.
3.
Hmm.
すごい。見てる。見てる。よく見つけたわね。すごい。ノジカ。何撮ってんのかなと思ったのよね。ベラベラ喋ってないから。ママパパ子供だわ。ママパパベイビー。
Hey guys, and we finally got to the waterfall. Took us a bit, we saw some deers, saw a lot of autumn leaves, and now that is amazing. Oh, monkey! Monkey! How can you not see the monkey? Monkey! Oh, that's cool. So now we saw a deer, monkey, and I also forgot to show you the waterfall. The waterfall. So we are finally at the waterfall. Very beautiful. I'm just shocked that I saw a monkey just up the tree. But yeah, we're at the waterfall now. Very loud, I don't know if you can hear me. But yeah, Metikile. I'm going to do some slow motion effects. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. And I'll see you guys later, because we're going to eat in a bit. And yeah, it took us ages to get here. And we're here. Hey guys, we saw the waterfall behind us now, and we had some food. We had yukari, pork ginger, it was oishi, and now we're going back because it's getting dark. And yeah, now I want to show you this over here because we went past it and I forgot to do a video. Come on camera, focus on my face. You know I'm sexy. But anyway, we're going past the little shopping bit. It's like a little stores, isn't it? Little beautiful stores. So I don't know why yeah. But anyway, we're going past the shops now. I'm going to show you, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy. And I've got some cinematic shots that I did, slow motion.